on your screen? 2x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. X square into 0, 0. Ranjita, 9 is right. That is right. Okay, right, Kirtana. No problem, Kirtana. 4 to the 8 to the 16. You will get b square minus 4ac is equal to 9. So, Shweta, what I should write when you get a 9? Shweta, what I should write when you get a 9? Positive value. What I should write? Very good, Shweta. Very good. What a man. Okay. Now, done. So, two distinct real roots. Okay. Now we should find out x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Minus b. B value was what? Minus 5. So plus 5 will become root of b square minus 4ac. What we got? 9. 2a value is what? 2 into 2. So x is equal to 5 plus 3 by 4. Another answer is x is equal to 5 minus 3 by 4. How I got 3? How I got 3? Because root 9 value is 3. Okay, understood? One time I took plus, one time I took minus. So 8 by 4, 4 ones are 4 twos are. So we'll get x is equal to 2. Done. Another answer will get 2 by 4. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. You will get 1 by 2. Very good. Boys and girls. This is what the answer is. Yeah. Now, Kirtana, no, I am not receiving. Sanjana Patil, you are replying very slow nowadays, not giving interest. See, I'll complain to mom. See, you're all right. Kirtana, kindly I request you to reply the answers every time. Now you will take some homework. But I did not receive, Kirtana, the messages like answers I did not receive. Message I received this one, like you told that. But I did not receive the answers. You did not message, I think. But yeah, you said that I heard and I told the reply also that okay. I told that. What is there they understood or not? This is I want to see. That I want to see. Exactly that I want to see, right? It is very, very important. Yeah, you need to practice it at least 2-3 times, then you will become perfect. But when I explain whether you will understand or not, that is what one will be interesting to see. I will take more time to explain this sum. Patience is required to listen also. See, you have two water taps. You have two water taps. One tap is larger diameter. Okay, one tap is larger diameter and another tap is a smaller diameter. Okay, everyone. Like I will tell you a story. One tank is there, Baba. This tank is to be filled with water. Obviously water. This tank is to be filled with water by using two water taps. One tap is larger diameter Another tap is smaller diameter. Okay, they say what? Both the tap together will fill a tank in 9 by 8 hours. It will fill in 9 by 8 hours. Okay. Both the tap, if you keep open, then they will fill this tank in 9 by 8 hours. Okay. So now extra data they gave. If you do not understand in between, you can point me out. Okay. The tap of larger diameter they are giving, it takes 10 hours. It takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. Whatever time taken by the smaller diameter tap, larger diameter will take 10 hours less. Can you tell me if I take for smaller diameter, if I take X hours, if smaller diameter will take X hours, then what about larger diameter will take? Very good, Chetan. Chetan is very fast. Nikki, very good. Are Tejashwini, data is there now. Zora right, Shweta right. Sanjana, how plus 10? Patke reply, Supriya, what doing? Are kya Anita? Rakshita, Swayam, Shashidhar right. Patke how? Yuvraj how plus 10 ba? युवराज देख इधर देख युवराज इधर देख युवराज कहाँ पे है युवराज हाँ इधर देख युवराज देख 10 आवर्स 10 आवर्स क्या है वो वर्ड युवराज देखा it will take 10 hours less so larger diameter will take x minus 10 agree yeah less it takes but see everybody it is very common now smaller diameter will take more time larger diameter will take less time common sense that much big pipe if you get to your home and small pipe obviously this will fill faster then water will come you also will fly and go with that much big pipe. Right, correct Sanjana. Now you understood. Fine. Chalo. So why I said this sum is little different. See, normally when you read the question and if you find two water taps together can fill, then what you will do? Two water pipes are there, one smaller diameter pipe, another big diameter pipe will take x minus 10. Total time is taken 9 by 8. Finish. Akila, am I right? This is the normal concept. By reading the question, we understand. Yeah, this is going on, Naveen. It is a very long one. Okay, you just listen. It's a very long one. Akila, what do you say? Chetan, correct or no? See, I mean, the boys and girls, everyone, see, normal, like two water tap together can fill a tank in 9.3. So this is smaller, this is bigger, total. Huh, exactly. So, but in this question, this concept is not applied. It is not applied. How? Why? How we will guess in exam? How? So that is why reading of question is very, very important here. Why like that? Let's see. Why like that? Why like that? See, this is what I wanted to say. Some I can do. It will take 15 minutes. Might be 10, 12 minutes. But explanation will take more time. So why we can't take like that? One example we will give you. One explanation we will start. I have a one tank. Okay, same tank I am taking every time, same tank thing. Same water I will fill. Okay. I am using big, larger pipe. Larger diameter pipe I use. Okay. Same way another tank I will take. In that also I will filled with water. You need to understand. But this time I am using smaller diameter. Okay, this pipe will take X hours. This pipe will take X minus 10 hours. Imagine, just imagine, just imagine, just imagine. This pipe will take 20 hours to fill the tank. This pipe will take 20 hours to fill the tank. How many hours this pipe will take? Big pipe, this pipe. How many hours it will take? How many hours it will take for big pipe? Okay, right, many. Yuvraj is first to reply. Very good. Zora, Shweta, Malika, Rakshita, no. Shashidhar, Shweta, again Shweta came. Adarsh Reddy also said, Sridhi Fatke 19 not 10. Okay, by me, mistake, I know, mistake. By mistake, yeah, Sridhi, I understood. Yeah, Mansan, everybody said, yeah, obviously, everybody is hopefully, Akshay Likit, right? Yeah, obviously, this will take 10 hours. Vijay Vishnu also says, this will take obviously 10 hours. Okay, obviously, it will take 10 hours. Now, one example. Obviously, it will take 10 hours. Now, tell me. Now, you mean to say what? You mean to say, if I use the same tank and I'm using the big diameter pipe I'm using, and I'm using small diameter pipe, both the pipes are on to fill the tank. Okay, this will take 10 hours, this will take 10 hours, this will take 20 hours. Okay, right, no problem. So, now listen. Now. Okay, Shweta. Okay, no problem, Nikki. Now listen, everybody. Properly listen. This is very important. You mean to say me what, sir? That 10 hours, this pipe, plus 20 hours, this pipe. Total time taken to fill this tank, is 30 hours. Do you agree, boys and girls? Same tank I am using, same water I am filling. I am using the two pipes. One is big pipe and one is smaller diameter pipe. The big pipe will take just the 10 hours to fill the tank. Small pipe will take 20 hours. Together they will take 30 hours. Whether together they can take 30 hours. Yes, Sheetal. Together they will take 30 hours. First you say me yes or no. If I keep both the tap on, one big and one small, whether together they can take 30 hours. No chance, yeah, no chance, right? No chance. Why no chance? You can say, you can say, sir, if you fill the tank, just by using a bigger pipe, it will take 10 hours. Then how? By using two pipes, it will take more time. It will not take more than 10 hours also. It will take less than 10 hours. In a day, Shweta, is not important. Concept is important. I can keep the tap on for 24 hours or more than that. That is not important here. Concept is that one big pipe will fill the tank in 10 hours. And you are telling that small pipe also keep on, then this tank will be filled in 4 hours. How it is possible? One pipe only will take 10 hours. Two pipe will take more time. Huh? Possible. Huh? Think, think little, think. I'm erasing, think little, think. What I'm saying, think. What I want to say, think. If you think, then you will understand. Array, shit. Question also erased now. 1 minute. See, one thing you do in your home, take one bucket. In your home, take one bucket. Okay, take one bucket. Keep one tap on. Okay, it will take 5 minutes to fill that. Now, same bucket you take, same bucket. Okay, and keep both the tap on. Now it will take 5 minutes or more than that. Both the tap you keep on. Now, how much time it will take? 5 minutes it will take, or more than that, or less than that? Yeah, obviously less than that. Obviously less than that. So that is what we wanted to explain. In case of time, remember, in case of time, x plus, this is for smaller diameter, and in case of time, x minus 10, this is for larger diameter. You can't take 90, I mean, you can't add the time. You can't add the time. You can't add the time. So this is not applicable. You can't add the time, because if you add both the time, then you will get more time, which is not possible. So this concept will not be used in this case. This concept cannot be used. This is totally wrong concept in this case. This cannot be used. Okay, this cannot be used. So that makes this sum very, very important, because it is, other way. It is not in simple way. So now we will go towards the sum now. Okay, now we will not explain much on that extra. Now Shweta, it will not break, don't worry. Right. Write down now along with me. Now see, because that concept is not applicable, this concept is not applicable, x plus x minus 10, this concept is not applicable. So what we will do, we will take in another way for 1 hour. For 1 hour we will take 1 hour. One hour concept we will use. In 1 hour, see here, everybody see here. Smaller diameter take x hour, smaller diameter take x hour to completely fill the tank. In 1 hour, how much time it will take? How much tank will be filled? In 1 hour. X hour complete tank, one tank. In 1 hour, how much will be filled? You will cross multiply. You will cross multiply. So you will get 1 into 1, 1 divided by x. So that's what you should write. You should take for 1 hour then. Not for total time, you should take for 1 hour. Same way you take in 1 hour, larger diameter tap fill the tank. How much larger diameter, Shweta? Shweta? Tell me how much larger you can write. 1 minus x by 10. Shashidhar, right? No, Akshariki, this is the way. This is for larger diameter. Total time in 1 hour. Total time in 1 hour. See, we have time what? What is the time which was there? Time was 9 3 by 8. 9 3 by 8. This 9 3 by 8 can be written as what? In improper fraction. What you will write by 9 3 by 8 in improper fraction? Anybody? 9 3 by 8 in improper fraction. 72 plus 3. 72, yeah, very good, Chetan. We will get 75, very good. This 9 3 by 8 will be written as 75 by 8. Okay, so total time in 1 hour will get total time in 1 hour means like how you divided by 1 by 1 by. Here also 1 divided by 75 by 8. Reciprocal you do, you will get 8 divided by 75. You will get what? 8 divided by 70. If you do reciprocal. Now we will use the plus concept. Plus, this is with smaller diameter. Plus, this is with larger diameter. This is actually x equals to 8 by 75. See, 75 by 8, don't write. It is not 75 by 8. Remember, many students do the mistake. They don't do reciprocal. They don't do this. So don't forget. Many students do not do this. Remember, red mark, use it. Something special mark, use it. If you do mistake here, you will not get answer. You will lose. How much you understood, how much you will do wholesome waste of time. Remember, right, Chetan, right answer. Okay. Chalo, now it is easy. From here it is easy. From here everybody can do. Correct na? This was up to your major thing, you know. Now from here everybody can do. Even I don't do, then also you can do. Come on everybody, you can do yourself. I will do myself. Taking LCM and all you know. Correct na Shweta? Kirtana understood na? Right. So this is x plus x2x over masala. Now you can go with cross multiplication. Shweta Patil, understood or no? Vindhya understood? 75 2s are 150x. 75 10s are 750. Very good. Remember this is important to know. Rest all already you did many times. Okay. So starting portion is very important to know. If you get to know this sum, I will be very happy. Divided by 2 you do. 2 is common, so divided by 2 you can do. So that the equation will become smaller. Sir, we take 2 hours instead of odd 1 hour. Kya, Yuvraj, I did not understood what you said. I did not understood, Yuvraj, what you said. Shidi Fatke, right answer. Now you can factorize it, or you can factorize, or you can go for the formula method. Yeah, we can do factor method also. Total time we have taken 1 hour. नहीं लिया ना बेटा, total time 1 hour. We have taken one. Yeah, okay, okay. Right. I understood. Beta, comparison we are doing with 1 hour. You can try with 2 hour also. Comparison we are done with 1 hour. I understood what you said. $1,500 is there. Take 100 into 15. That 2 minus 100 minus 15 you take, you will get the answer. $4x square minus 100x. Okay. Sharnu, this is getting recorded, don't worry. This is common. Okay. So you understood the larger diameter and smaller diameter. Now one more person can ask the question, what, sir, even it is positive now 15 by 4. It is also positive value now, then why don't you take this one? It is also positive. Why don't you take then this one, sir? So answer you can say. You can explain this answer. Okay, ba, smaller diameter I will take 15 by 4 hours. Okay, for larger diameter what you will take, ba? For larger diameter usually we take x minus 10, correct? So 15 by 4 minus 10. So you will take LCM 4, correct? So when you take LCM 4 ones are here and here into 4. So we'll get 15 minus 40. We will get minus 25 by 4. So how larger diameter will take minus 25 by 4 hours? So we will not take this one. Because for larger diameter we will get minus. So this value only we will consider. Okay. So we will consider one value which is giving both answer plus, right? Chalo everybody. Hope you copied. One flashback we will do of. One flashback. अरे शर्मो जल्दी करना ना फिर Time is remain 2.5 minutes. Session will get end, yaar. Jaldi, jaldi, fast. One more time I should explain flashback. Fatafat. I just recap this. Fatafat. So concept you will get it totally fast. Chalo, fatafat copy. Sharnu.